Hi guys! Ang tutorial naman natin ngayon ay yung kantang Can You Feel the Love Tonight by Elton John. Strumming pattern naman yung ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon. Ang chord naman ng kanta natin ay C, lapit natin sa screen. C. Tapos strum lang natin mula 5th string hanggang 4th string. Tapos G. Pwede rin natin gawing shortcut, strum lang natin mula 4th string hanggang 4th string. A minor, D, F, tapos A, E minor. Yan lang yung chord natin guys sa buong kanta natin. Ang strumming pattern naman ng buong kanta natin ay puros down lang yung strum natin. Ganito lang gagawin natin. Pagka tayo ng C, tapos lipat sa G, lipat sa C, ganun lang gagawin natin guys hanggang matapos yung kanta. Kakantayin natin guys, pwede niya akong sabayan para makuha natin yung strumming pattern ng buong kanta natin. Tears is calm, surrender to the rush of day. When the heat of a rolling wave can be turned away, an enchanted moment it sees me through. It's enough, restless warrior, just to be with you. You feel the love tonight, tonight. It's where we are. It's enough. It's why I don't wonder that we go is far. Can't you feel the love tonight, tonight? Just let you rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe that they. Time for everyone, if only learns that the twist take a lot of scope, move us all in turn. Turns your eye and the reason to the wild outlaw. When the heart of your stars screams about your beating time with you, and can't you feel the love tonight, tonight? It's where we are. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at abangan nyo na lang yung susunod natin tutorial.